Talking about shapewear brands today. First brand has to be Butt Cheek. I think Butt Cheek is doing some amazing work in India. I mean, look at the size inclusivity of models on their page. Like this one is a size M in the brief shapewear. This one is 5X and this one is S. I love that they have used models that we can look at and identify. Next is Zivame. Zivame has great varieties from bodysuits to thigh trainers to waist trainers. Whatever you want, you can pick it up. I have a video on what kind of shapewear you should invest in that will help you in picking the right one. Next is Vakol with thigh shapers and high waist shapers. They have always been on the expensive side. After Vakol, Marks and Spencer has always been like this one place in India where you get different kinds of shapewear. This is Uniqlo. The airism technology of Uniqlo is very popular. I've never tried them, but they look quite promising. After that, it's Jockey. Jockey also has various styles, but I have a feeling that it is size restrictive. Spanx is the OG for shapewear. They started the whole business on shapewear, so just think about it and they have it. The one thing I'll give to Kim Kardashian is the way she's built Skims. I mean, the fit is absolutely amazing. Can you see the size range and the color range they have in this one? So if you're in North America, Skims is my chef's kiss. If you have seen my earlier video on how to buy shapewear, then you know shapewear is not to reduce your midriff or your thighs. It's just to give you a seamless feeling.